Good morning, everyone. I'm about to install some solar panels on the roof of my truck camper. Topo Topper is the brand. So here are the solar panels. I just marked off where I want them. This right here is gonna be the how I wire it all from the roof into the bed of the truck. Last night I went ahead and cut that hole right there. That was scary. The first hole in the top of my truck. But yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. So in case you were wondering, these are Goal Zero Boulder 50 panels. You can chain them together. All in all, they'll give me about 100 watts of power. And this is a wiring gland, 3/4 inch, and it perfectly fits the the charging port here. So yeah, I know I found it really hard to find any resources online specifically for Goal Zero. So hopefully figuring this out and posting it will help some folks out. So this is what I'm gonna be using to put into these holes. These mounting brackets are also by Goal Zero. They only come with these bolts to mount it, so I got these from Ace. Yeah, so here we go. Okay, so I've got my holes drilled. Yeah, they're all over. Yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. The hard part is going to be actually installing this while being underneath here, to get the lock nuts in, as well as putting flex paste to waterproof it. So I got one up so far. It's looking good. And hopefully we can get the other two up. So just finished up. I think I did a good job. Yeah, here we go. There's some mess I need to clean up still, but yeah, so there they are, installed. Yeah, the wire is kind of all tucked out of the way. That wire back there is just going to kind of dangle, and then here's my connector going down, some flex seal that got messed up when I was putting the wires all out of the way. Yeah, that should be solid, and yeah. Here we go. Can't see that. Yeah, it's giving me 50 watts, which is more than enough for my power needs. So yeah, the hope is, like, in direct sunlight in the middle of the day, I'm getting 100 watts, but the rest of the time I can just trickle charge, and yeah, I don't need that much power most of the time. We'll see if I get into photography, I'll probably need more power, but yeah, there we go. And yeah, this is a great way if you've got a Goal Zero solar panel to really get up in there. So I meant to continue that sentence, but yeah, I need to open up the camper first. But yeah, I think the one part I didn't really talk about is the connection right here. Yeah, this is just a 15-foot extension cord. Probably will only be going like a couple feet, but you never know when you'll need more. And it just goes in like that. This feels solid. Everything looks solid. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Okay, so I just realized I didn't really get a good video or picture of it all finished and done. So here we go. So yeah, here is the final product. Yeah, underneath there, yeah, looks nice and clean. The only thing is that wire is just gonna kind of dangle there. Yeah, I could probably tinker around with it, but no need really to do that. So yeah, this was a fun project, a lot easier than I thought it would be. And yeah, hoping to share more of my truck projects because I think it's fun. So yeah, hope to see y'all later, even though there's none of you right now.